What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download Senua Saga Hellblade 2 on your PC. So what you have to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, I will show you how to download this game without overspending. Now what we need to do is go to Google and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to a other website. Now go to the Steam website and search up the game. So please follow these steps, then you are able to download it without overspending. Now search for the game Senua Saga Hellblade 2 and select it. Scroll a little bit down and there you will find this game, which is quite expensive on Steam, €49.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the description of this video where it says find game here and click on that link. Now you can open this website and then we will search for the same game, Senua Saga Hellblade 2. Select the game and then select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you need to search for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you found one, select it, and after that you will find out that this game is just €19.31 instead of €49.99. So what you need to do is purchase this game through this website and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Now hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!